Hey everybody, welcome back to What the Face. Glad you're here. And today we're going to be doing a talking and shaving. And today we're going to be using this lather shave cream called Cool Cologne. I really enjoy it. It's a nice shaving cream. And with that we're going to be using the Occam's razor, and maybe I'll massage it into the beard with the Wet the Face brush. So come along, we're going to be talking about some things, and don't go away. Okay, here's the tube out of the cardboard box, so you can see that. That's the back of it. You'll see it has a really good consistency on it. You see that it's thick. The Ingram sometimes is like a similar shaving cream, but it's sometimes gets affected by the humidity in your shower or bathroom or den, and it will kind of change its consistency and get watery. But this doesn't seem to do that, so I'm going to just place my brush in warm water, and then I think I'm going to just wet my beard. Now I've had about 6 to 7 days growth, so I'm just going to wet my face. And then shut the water off. I'm going to manually place this in there. What I mean by that, here's the wet brush. Let me just wet it even more. There you go. And I'm just going to kind of rub it into the bristles. I don't know if you can see that, but there you go. And I just didn't want to lob it into the middle of the brush, but make sure all those bristles seem to be active with the lather. So I'm also going to do this. I'm just going to put a dime size here and rub it into my beard as well. So it's got a little bit extra there. And I'm gonna need that. That stuff is slick, so. And here we go. I'm just gonna wet it and rub it in. And that's what I'm looking for. Sometimes you gotta help certain products along the way. Add water as you need it, because you can't take away water. So start with a little, add what you need. Okay. Very nice. Now I'm just going to use the brush. I'm going to be using the razor. I'm going to start at the bottom here. Here we go. Very nice. So, I just started watching and finished. It was like 2 hours or so. A movie called Worth with Michael Keaton. And it was a book that was written from the guy who dispensed all the money from a fund the United States created for the people who were victims of the 9/11 tragedy. And how did they go about giving funds to people? How did they go about doing that? You know, how did they evaluate what each person was worth? It was pretty interesting. I had no idea that kind of thing was going on, because I thank God that no one in my family was, you know, affected by that directly. Where I was working at the time, there was a gentleman who, his brother was a firefighter, and he was there, and he was killed. There was an outside person, who I forget his name, but you can look him up. He has a website still up, and it's called Fix the Fund, and he was probably instrumental in changing how things were distributed. And I think without that guy's influence, it would have been a disaster. No one was participating in the fund. And once he talked to this guy, the head guy of the fund, and said that everything that he was doing is flawed. And of course he resisted for quite a while, and then he came around. But it's really interesting, and if you're interested in that kind of thing, behind the scenes, what's going on, they do it in a really great way so you understand everything. You should watch it. It's on Netflix. Okay. All right. Great shave, no problems. Let me put this back in the tube back into the box, and I will pick out something. You know, Struanza. I'm going to use that. I like this. Oh. Oh, awesome. Awesome aftershave. Well, thank you. I had a great shave, and I hope you guys have great shaves today. and I'll see you next week. We have a lot of things going to be released. We have autumn, we have Christmas time, we have Silent Night, we have 2K, we have lots of stuff on the horizon. So get prepared, and I'll see you next week.